Hattech Incorporated is a full-service EF&I supplier, including main equipment procurement, capable of supporting a wide variety of telecommunications needs, and offering a total system solution. While today's presentation will focus on our 60,000 square foot warehousing operation, expansive inventory of installation materials, pre-wire area, testing area, and staging capabilities, we also offer a complete line of engineering services, installation services by certified technicians, as well as cradle-to-grave project management with a strong focus on quality assurance and continued specialized training for all departments. As main equipment and/or installation material is brought onto the loading dock, it is verified against the truck's manifest and visually inspected for external damage. Equipment is then compared against the purchase order, staged in designated areas, and scanned into Hattech's tracking database with any back orders noted. Installation material is also compared to the purchase order, then placed in the appropriate stocking bins and entered into our database system. Hattech maintains between $1.7 and $2 million in installation material inventory that represents over 600 items. A wide variety of cables are also kept in stock to meet customer needs. Material is kept in a secure area in order to maintain the integrity and cycle counted twice a week to ensure appropriate stock levels are maintained. Certified technicians are available to make a variety of cables based on engineering cable drawings that are developed and maintained to meet customer and equipment-specific requirements. Hattech has the capability to make DB9 through DB50, male or female, Cat5, RJ45, BNC, ITTs, QT-BNC, ATP1000, locking mini Wecos, AMPS 50 and 64 pin, and 9821 AE connectors. All cables and connectors, regardless of type, are checked for both signal continuity and signal loss. DS3 cables are electrically checked using a T-bird and an oscilloscope, using a mass signal from the T-bird overlaid on the oscilloscope screen to compare with the signal returned from the cable being tested for loss or degradation of the original T-bird test signal. Cables are then coiled up, tagged, and protective covers applied to each end, and then sent to the inventory control department for staging with the appropriate material order. The pre-wired department is set up to handle 24 racks and/or an unlimited number of cabinets. Once the configuration specification is received from the engineering department, the appropriate equipment is picked from the material staging area. The equipment is then mounted in a specific rack or cabinet in accordance with Hattech's standard engineering drawings. The required cabling is attached by either a T-wrap or lacing, dependent upon customer preferences. All work is meticulously performed using AT&T's 800-614-107. After work is completed and signed off by the technician, the Quality Control Group reviews the work to ensure that it meets standards. The equipment is then placed on an upright truck and delivered to the test area. Our state-of-the-art testing area has 4,000 amps of DC power with the capability of handling up to 96 racks or cabinets at any given time. Equipment is pre-configured and tested to customer-provided site-specific requirements, thereby minimizing out-of-box failures, field test and turn-up, and reducing the overall ITA cycle time. The entire area is ESD controlled and inspected annually to ensure its integrity. Once the equipment has completed the pre-wire and testing phase, it is then crated and moved into its designated staging area on the warehouse floor, along with the appropriate installation materials. In addition to utilizing custom-built wooden crates, the shipping department maintains a wide variety of shipping containers and packing materials to ensure that the equipment and installation materials reach the job site without damage. Each project order is then retrieved from the staging area, verified for completeness, and labeled prior to loading for shipping. Once it's been loaded with one of our 3 qualified electronic shipping agents, it is then entered into Hattech's database for tracking purposes. Whether it's assembly and staging, pre-wire and testing, engineering and installation services, or a complete turnkey solution you require, Hattech has the project management and quality assurance support necessary to meet all of your telecommunications needs.